Greetings! Here on Steens Mountain, in the Steens Mountain Wilderness, on the Wildhorse Lake Trail. I just happened to spot something. Even though there's not much growing up here, well above the tree lines, there's still some friendly plants. You might not think they're friendly, but when there's not much growing, and you see a thistle that you can eat, you definitely pay attention. Obviously in the wilderness area, you're probably not permitted to take it, but it may not look edible at all. But as long as it's not a milk thistle, you carefully take the leaves off, strip off the spines till it's just the center stalk, and you can actually munch on it. Just get rid of those spines and you're good to go. This is an edible plant in an otherwise foodless landscape. There's very little growing up here. Just some grasses, a few little patches of yarrow that have found their way in. But there's a thistle. And a thistle. And even up here, in the middle of nothing, you can still find a little something to munch on. Just below the summit of Steens Mountain, 9,700 plus feet. Way up there. Even too high up and too cold for the ants. Couldn't find any up there, which was a really lovely thing. Just these low growing high desert plants. Not much rain up here, not much soil sticking around, but we still have edible food. Sorry, it must be the altitude getting to me. Of course, if it's food, it's edible. Ha! I am not acclimated at all to 9,700 feet. I live more at below 2,000 feet, where there's a lot more to eat. But it's really nice to find, even up here in the middle of nowhere, something to munch on. Whew, that's a cold wind. You can spot a couple more thistles here, popping up on this cliff face. And even looking down, there's some more down there. There's plenty. So if you were desperate, survival situation, you at least have something to nibble on. And of course, if you were down at Wildhorse Lake, there'd be water to drink. It'd be cold, cold water, but it would be water. But anyway, thank you for joining us on Steens Mountain, the Steens Mountain Wilderness at Wildhorse Lake.